Guys, Chuck's here. Got both my printers set up, ready to go. I'd like to thank Adam for helping me out with the bed leveling. I found I had a problem with the actual level, and it was actually the whole level of the bed wasn't completely flat, and I couldn't print off it, so I lent it to my mate Adam, and Adam got it working. And now I've just made up this, it's actually just homing. I've just made up this server case, which I'm going to put another one of those reels I had in the Ender 3, and we'll get that going, and we'll be able to start doing some work with some batteries. So I have a lot of batteries at the moment. Yes, everyone asks me, what are you doing with all these batteries? I'm going to make a power wall. That's what I'm going to do. I also picked up some other stuff, which I'm going to quickly show you. Well, that's doing its thing. Okay, I picked up this bike. It was $40. So I don't know what all that is. I think it's, don't know what the hell that is. Must be insects or something. Yeah, so this is the actual e-bike. Someone's gone to town on it. I think it's still completely alright. I'm going to test it. I've got this sitting out here, so if anyone's into e-bikes, I think this is the BMS, but I'm not sure. This is, I'll try and focus on that. Yep, there's the bike company with a heap of different stuff on it, motor and stuff like that, and it's got cables and it's got a capacitor. I'm thinking this is either a sensor or a capacitor. I'm thinking sensor more likely, but it's got a loose blue wire. I'm not sure why that is, but if anyone can give me a hand on helping me get this set up as another side project to the e-wall, or the electric wall. I'm calling it e-wall now. E-wok, e-wall. Anyway, yeah, so we'll get that going. That should be good. So yeah, other than that, not much happening. It's nearly Christmas, and I'm hoping you're all having a great holiday season. I hope you're all out having fun, because that's what it's all about. I had a little bit of fun the other day. I went out detecting, and a teeny bit of gold. I think it was a gram. Anyway, alright, well, if you like these videos, please subscribe. I just need another 300 and I get over the 1,000 mark. I'm working my ass off to get them done, and I know I'm not doing enough decent videos yet, but I'm trying to get the printers going. I'm trying to get my kind of studio thing going that I've built, which is starting to take shape. I've got that there, I've got a wall there. I'm going to put another wall up higher to cover that all up. There's my old Amiga up there. And yeah, I've got that all hooked up, and then I'm going to set up this thing. Got a little inverter, solar charger, and I was going to use the cheap batteries and pop them into the box and make a small generator of some sort for taking away on holidays. So, but we've already got a really good caravan, but I don't mind having a backup. That's always handy. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe, as I said before, and please leave a comment. I really would like to know what you guys are doing for over the Christmas period. It would, and say hello for Christmas. That'd be awesome. Okay, see you, mate. See you all.